Hello, welcome to the tutorial video for how to make a check payment in WVU MyAccount. I have already logged into WVU MyAccount, and if you need any help getting to this point, you can watch our student WVU MyAccount login tutorial. Before we dive in, one important thing to note is that if you are a parent or guardian wanting to make a payment on your student's account, you will need to make sure they have given you authorized user access before you proceed. Once you have logged into your WVU MyAccount, you will notice a menu across the top of your screen. To make a payment, click on the Make Payment tab. On the following screen, you will either see a screen to input the value you want to pay towards your balance, or you will see a Select Payment Options screen. If you are on the Select Payment Options screen, you can choose to either pay by line item or pay by term. If you choose Pay by Line Item, you will then be prompted to input the amount you would like to pay towards any of the charges that appear on the screen. Simply input the amount or amounts and click Continue. If you select Pay by Term, you will need to input the amount towards the semester you would like to make the payment to. Some may see more than one semester, so be sure to input the amount for the correct term or semester. If you are seeing the payment amount screen, simply enter the amount you wish to pay and click Continue. On the following screen, you will be asked to select the payment method you would like to use. For this tutorial, we are selecting electronic check, checking, or savings. You will then be prompted to input all of the required information for your chosen payment method. Please review the information you have put into the system before clicking Continue. If you would like to save this payment method for future use, you can select the checkbox next to Save this payment method for future use.